Hello and welcome to my blog, Learning with Literacy, Makers Movement Style. So this video will just be a little overview on what the blog entails and why it was created. So first of all, this blog was created for the Year 6 student level for the subject area Literacy in English. And to embrace the Makers Movement project, I've created this blog to ensure that students and teachers learn and teach through not only reading, listening, watching and writing, but through playing, tooling up, making and sharing. So when you navigate your way through the blog, you'll find a project overview page, project content for the teachers, and project content for the students, and then an About Me page. So a little example of what the students will be creating at the end of this project is a film review poster. So they have one side being the poster side and the other side being a short film review. And then, so in the project overview page, we have the topic we're teaching and the curriculum standards that this project addresses. Obviously, there's a couple for English and in the sub area of literacy. We also come across it's addressing the ICT General Capability Learning curriculum as well, using Canva, which is the online technology tool to create their movie review poster. So the learning outcomes of this project would be that the students will be able to identify types of persuasive texts, their features and their significance, demonstrate the use of persuasive features, demonstrate researching skills using the internet, construct their film review poster, operate and navigate the online program Canva, demonstrate presentation skills, and compare and critique others' work in the classroom. Also on this page, you'll find how this project addresses the aspects of meaningful learning and what the Makers Movement is and why this project was created using the Makers Movement. We also have the project content page for the teachers, which is a step-by-step process on each session on what needs to be done, the worksheets that are provided, and everything you need there is on this page. And the students will also have their side of things. It's a little bit more broken down and more understandable for the students. So they are able to go through that page. If they need to at home, they can access the information there. There is the About Me page, which you're more than welcome to have a read through and complete the 2 truths and a lie quiz. Other than that, that is my blog. So thank you so much for choosing my blog to assist you in teaching literacy. I hope you enjoy.